My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? So today's video is going to be a really quick but super fun unboxing of my August Boxycharm. So if you would like to see what I got in my box this month, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. I'm so excited for my Boxycharm. Alright. Ooh, it's pretty. I see a bunch of pink. Hell yeah. Okay. Ooh. Okay, the first product I see is this Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. Oh my gosh, I actually have this, but I love this powder. I think I've talked about it in one of my favorites maybe a few months ago, but this retails for $39, and it says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. And formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. It totally does. If you are someone who is dry, this powder will be everything for you. The first time I used it, I thought my brush was wet because when I put it on, it was like this cooling, like wet sensation. I really love this powder. All right, the next product is this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. Okay, this is 0.84 ounces and it retails for $42. All right, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin. This is what the tip looks like. Ooh, it's pink. How cool. It doesn't feel like a typical oil, which I am really excited about because I'm not the biggest fan of like just pure oils. Ooh, I really like that. The next product is this Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I've been getting a lot of mascaras lately. I haven't heard of this one before. So this retails for $23. Let's have a look, shall we? I'll probably just keep it because it's bright pink. I just spit everywhere. Like, honestly. Is that horrible? Oh my god, this is the cutest mascara I've ever seen. Ooh, I really like the brush too. It reminds me of my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir brush, which is like my favorite mascara. Oh my gosh, they're like almost identical. It's actually like bigger and more of like an hourglass shape than the Marc Jacobs one. Okay, Tara, I see you. Oh my gosh. The next product is so appropriate for me. Boxycharm, you just know me. It is this Pure and Barbie, glitterly, that's cute, pink glitter mask, glitterly, brightening peel-off mask. So this is 0.2 ounces and it retails for $26. And it says, created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie, this mask is packed with licorice extract, skin-nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy-looking glow that lasts. Okay. Oh, I'm not going to open it, but I'm assuming it's pink glitter, which I adore. And the last product, okay, is these Lasciaholic luxury lashes. Alright, they retail for $14.99. Okay. They're cute. I usually like my lashes a little bit more dramatic. Oh my gosh, you know what's crazy though, guys? When I first started my channel, I hated like big lashes. I thought they looked like tarantulas on my eyes. And now I'm like, oh no, that lash is way too natural looking. But no, these are really pretty and will definitely look good on a like less dramatic look. Wow, I really, really, really like this box. I mean, as usual. Wow. Yeah, let me see what the total retail value is. The total retail value for my August Boxycharm is $145. Wow, can't beat that when you pay $21 for sure. Alright guys, let me know what you thought about my Boxycharm this month, and let me know what you got in your Boxycharm down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.